presbytery centers across the country, and their congregants, and so on, and many others who are the adherents of the church will really meet into this architecture of the country, ambitious of bringing everybody into this particular program. So we are very happy to receive them, and we shall be taking them through all what KEFRI does, so that they can learn and be able to collaborate in KEFRI. We are also developing an MOU so that we can work together in not only in this particular government ambition, but also all other aspects related to environment together. I think that's what I can say now. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We are glad as the Presbyterian Church of East Africa to have visited the headquarters of KEFRI, and we were very well received by the director and his team. And as he has explained, we have had a very good conversation on what we can do together. We came here because as a church, we are very keen on the environment. It is one of our pillars, and over years, our church has been involved in conserving the environment. And when the government started talking about an ambitious plan of planting many trees, we said, whoa, we want to be part of that movement because it is the right movement. And we asked ourselves, who can help us to be part of that movement? And the natural place to come to was KEFRI. And we are not disappointed, because when we came in, they have taken us through what they do on day to day. They have made us understand many things that we didn't understand. And they have promised to work with us. We have agreed that going forward, we will sign an MOU, because we have people who can help us in executing that ambitious plan of planting trees. We also have a resource of land owned by the church and also owned by our members, which we want to be part of that. We want to avail it. And from here then we'll be able to speak to our members and tell them, we now have a partner who is ready to work with us at all levels. We are glad that KEFRI has also sent us in many other places in this country. Therefore, we know that they are going to avail us with a lot of information, and beyond information, even the seeds, the seedlings, the trees, and the expertise, we are going to have them. Therefore, it's a day we were looking forward to, and we are glad that we have got what we were looking for. Thank you.
Maybe let's say, sir, KEFRI has sufficient seeds that are tolerant in other areas. Huh? So maybe that advantage, which areas are you targeting to use the seeds in KEFRI to support conservation, especially in central region of this country?
Because PCA spreads in very many areas, arid, semi-arid, and even high-arid. And from the presentation we have been taken through by the director, we realize that they have a product in terms of trees for every area. If it's a dry land, if it's an arid land, they have it. And that's why we need their expertise, because when we talk about planting trees, we may assume that every tree is suitable for every place in this country. But they are telling us, no, you have to study. And they have a lot of science. They have, people who understand the environment, people who understand trees. And therefore, when we came in, we didn't know some of these things. Now that we know that we can't get it wrong. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. See you some other time.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Can you take that image, your picture?
Yeah. Oh, ionekana ilikuwa ya karibu kabisa.
You can also join behind the other church members.
Thank you. They are good.
We can go for half tea. We have a